I'm going to share with you the basics of variables in Sway. So the first thing that I'll do is create a new project. I'll do that by typing fork new, I'll name it variables. Okay, next I'm going to navigate to the file that was created. So I'll open variables, source, and then main, and then close my terminal. Let's take a look at how to declare immutable variables, mutable variables, and then some examples of type annotations. And for this example, I'll be writing my code inside here. So to declare a variable, a simple variable, let's say that x is equal to 5. In Sway, the default type for numbers are U64, unsigned integer 64. This means that U64 will be in the range from 0 to 2 to the 64 minus 1. Now, if I wanted to change this variable, for example, let's say we wanted to increment it by 1, then we might want to try something like this, x plus equals 1. And now notice that I'm getting a compilation error. I'm going to hover over it, and it says assign to immutable variable. Variables in Sway are by default immutable. This means that once you declare a variable, you cannot change it. If you wanted to change a variable, if you wanted the variable to be mutable, then you'll have to do something else. So let me show you how to do that. Again, we'll declare a variable. Let's say that y equals 1, 2, 3. And to make this variable into mutable, you'll have to type mute. That mute y equals 1, 2, 3. And now we can update this variable y without any compilation error. For example, let's say y plus equals another 1, 2, 3. Moving on, let's look at an example of type annotation. So as I said earlier, the default type for numbers in Sway is U64. But how about if you wanted a different type for a number? So for example, let's say I wanted a U32. So this will range from 0 to 2 to the 32 minus 1. So I'll type that I is equal to, let's say 456. And instead of having this be of type U64, I want this to be of type U32. To do this, you would do colon and then followed by the type U32. This tells Sway that this number I is of type U32. Let's try compiling this contract. I'll open my terminal and I'll make sure that I'm inside the folder variables. So cd variables. And then to compile the contract, I'll type fork build. And the contract compiles successfully. So these were 3 quick examples of declaring and using variables in Sway. See you in the next video.